What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. Gonna go to our friend Matic, currently sitting at $1.40, down 6% on the day, sitting a market cap of 12.08 24-hour volume 771 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to buy bait, grab up to 30,000 in bonuses or bake it up to 8K in bonuses. Bigkit's where I do the majority of my trading. You can check out my full length tutorials. They're linked in the description. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Matic. So we've continued to break down. Looks like we're putting in our bearish scenario here of coming down in a wave A. So basically what we'll be looking at is a wave A down. You have a wave B pullback and a wave C that would take you down. I believe it's in between about, if we were to see a wave 2 pullback, 88 cents and $1.08. As I mentioned previously with our wave count here, if we break $1.38, which is currently where we're sitting, so we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the bullish count would be that this is a 4, and then you would push up in a 5. However, if you take a fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3, you can see we're currently sitting on the 50% retracement level at $1.38. So if that is broken, it would invalidate a wave 4. We can focus on the more bearish wave count for Matic, which would be an ABC correction in a larger wave 2 pullback. As shown right here, I do believe we are pushing up in that impulsive wave 3 to take you all the way up above $4. But of course, within that wave 3 or 5 waves, so what we're looking at is potentially a wave 1. If we do start to put in the ABC, then we look for a pullback in between 88 cents and $1.08, where I would look to load the bags. I did get some at cheaper prices, but to be honest, most of my planned allocation for Matic is still sitting in cash. So I'll hope to get in on that pullback there in the wave 2. Taking a look at Ethereum, if we start to break down from this wedge, 1662 support, then I would expect continuation to the downside. And potentially what we'd be looking at here is that this was a 4. We pushed up in a 5, and you've come down wave A, overshooting wave B, and you look for a 5-wave move down in a wave C for Ethereum. However, we can take a fib retracement from the bottom of this wave 2. Oh, let me grab it here. You can take a fib retracement from the bottom of the wave 2 to the top of the 3. And if price breaks 1639, then it can't be a wave 4, and we'd have to focus on that being an overshooting wave B. All right, gang, so in the short term here for Matic, if 138 is broken, higher confluence, we're coming down to $1.35 in a wave 3. You'd see a wave 4 come down in a wave 5, and what we'd be looking for is a nice A, B, C correction to take you down in between about 88 to $1.06, I believe it was, 88 and $1.08. But if we were to bounce from this support, then there is still potential of putting in a wave 5. All of this would have been the wave 3. This would be a 4. And then push up in a 5 would be a very deep 4. But it's still possible if we hold that support and start to bounce. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here so you can see how they're doing with their trades. As you can see, 25% gain, 80% gain. Don't mind making $80 in 10 minutes. And that's basically it for this one, gang. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.